So this is the RPA challenge, which I'm solving today with our assistant without any line of code that I'm writing. So you see that the input form is changing after every submit. I cut out the typing here, so the video is a little bit shorter, but I gave some high-level input on the 7 fields that need to be filled and how they're looking on the page. And then I also mark the area where all the fields are located, so the tool knows how to work with the page, basically. And also I gave the input on the submit button, a little bit that it also needs to be clicked without giving the submit button in particular. And then I also added some information on the data that is downloaded here on the page and the structure and basically what to do with it. And after a few seconds, the tool was asking me a few questions as well that I was happily answering. And then after a short while, I got a full process description in depth. And after a thorough read, I found that everything is okay. So I gave my okay to it. And then the tool started to render the automation, which took a few minutes. So I cut this out here. And the results is basically a smart button you see here on the top right, which after clicking is executing the RPA challenge from the start to the end with all the changing fields and entering the data at the right position and always clicking the input submit button. This is actually quite interesting because I didn't give a lot of information and it shows how intelligent our automation AI can actually code the automation with having 100% correctness at the end.